Good morning. I got a really gorgeous 2014 Chevy Equinox here. It's a really pretty color. I believe GM's color code is Silver Topaz. Like a silvery blue color. This one is the V6 and it's all-wheel drive and it is the LTZ, so it's got all the options. It is all-wheel drive and it's got the optional upgraded V6. Looks really nice. We've got a bunch of options on it. We'll go over that once we hop inside. As for the exterior, we got park sensors, backup camera. We got a moonroof up there. We'll check that out once we hop inside. Let's have a look in the driver's seat from the back. It's got black leather interior. Got the big screen there. Got the moonroof. Open the driver's door. Does have Pioneer premium sound. In the black leather. Let me have it open up the moonroof. Alrighty. Let's go through some of the steering wheel controls. We got stereo. Looks like we've got adaptive cruise along with collision alert and lane departure warning, which is a really nice feature. This one's got 88K on it. Alright, as for the big screen, we got navigation. Throw it in reverse. We got a backup camera. We got heated seats on the climate control. Sorry. Something stuck in my throat. This one's automatic transmission. I think they all are. We got USB and AUX inputs in here. Again, it is black leather interior. Looks really clean. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, and it's also got power liftgate. Let's open that up. Let's open it up. We'll have a look in the back seat for now. Pretty clean unit. It's got the privacy cover. Let's open that up. Got plenty of room. With the, I think it's a Pioneer. Yeah, with the Pioneer, you get an extra woofer right there. Sounds really good. Like I said, it's got power lift gate, so electrically opens and closes. Oh, and it's also got a, failed to mention, like a little, I think that's a 1-inch tow receiver, which is nice for like a bike rack and stuff like that. But yeah, overall, really nice unit. Let's have a look under the hood. Yeah, again, the V6. This is the upgraded. They usually come with the, I believe, a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. This one's got the 6, which is nice. Plenty of power, all-wheel drive, fully loaded, really pretty blue. You're getting a lot of car for the money. I hope this video helped out. Take care. Thanks for watching.